Scotty's got the driver's side. Oh my God.
No, it should be more like this. Look it. Isn't that
Look
cute?
at it's crooked.
Stop it. Oh my God. Anyway.
It's hard already.
The bump stop.
Yeah, all 2 inches.
Look at this rusty, crusty. When everything else is nice and pretty, this is rusty, crusty. Obviously, nobody ever painted it, whatever.
Hated it.
Hated it. So anyway, we're going to get this off of here, and we're going to put our fresh bump stop on.
That should be pour 15. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it should have been blasted and painted with the rest of the car. But,
Yeah. I mean, with this amount of restoration, yes, it should have.
Somebody got lazy somewhere in, what is it, Minnesota?
Minnesota, eh?
Oh, no.
Hey, look at that. You're getting a whole bunch of the undercoating off and there's rust underneath it, huh?
Oh, no.
Yeah, they just undercoated it and didn't bother to do a restoration of right.
Okay, Scotty, we get it. Let's change the thing. Let's play How Rusty Is It? Well, he's got cheater pipe on it, so.
And no lube. Don't break it.
You can break it, it's fine. Because then it'll come out, and then we can put the new one in, it'll be fine.
I think it did break, didn't it?
Not sure.
No.
Oh no. It looked like it slipped.
Hell yeah.
This is gonna be a nightmare.
You should lubed it.
Doesn't matter. It's got to break it.
Yeah, but if it doesn't break and it just rounds off the nut, then you're kind of foolbarred.
Then we'll torch it.
Yeah, well, that's gonna stink. That's gonna make some stinky shit.
Hey, look it. It's turning. Oh, God, Andre. The sound effects. Really, dude?
Hey, I've done porn. Sometimes you had to add it because you were so bored.
Ow.
Oh, yeah.
Things I didn't need to know about my friend Andre.
Oh, yeah, you're so
Half
tired.
the internet knows about him. What are you talking about?
Oh, my God. All right, that one's coming off. Good. I can see it's getting looser. So we'll put the new one on, and it'll be nice. Look. Nice, new swingy rubber. Except it's made by stupid Scott Drake. I hate them. They're terrible. Anyway.
I hate that bitch.
Oh, the guy is a total bitch.
Yeah, I know he is.
Hey, look. Nice new bump stop. All right. This side's going to go back in. We're going to do the other. All right. So driver's side's all done with the fresh bump stop. We're over here on the passenger side. And what do we see here, gang? That's one of these things is not like the other. Because this front apron here, it's been replaced. You can tell this is the original one. And, of course, they got too lazy to put it back right and make sure everything lined up. So they just cut the top off and only have it bolted here and here. The top bolts that are supposed to go through, yeah. All right, so we're gonna pull this off anyway, get this on, because we want Joey to come get this car in the morning, because we want him to enjoy his car. He knows I could just nitpick things, but it's not a big deal, but it's still irritating. Okay, now we can show that better. Those lazy bastards, not only did they cut it off, they didn't even deburr it. Wow.
I'll take a file to it and clean it up.
Yeah, we'll deburr that. Don't worry. Okay, so that's 2 people Joey needs to call and give hell to. And we have video evidence of it. Wow, Scotty didn't need the pipe to get that one loose. Oh, there's at least something positive. Hey, look. Scotty deburred it. It's okay now. This is the last thing we have to do, Scotty.
I know. Trust me, I cannot wait. I just want to see their smiling faces driving their car, and I'll be hit.
Tomorrow morning.
Yep.
Tomorrow morning, hopefully. Bath? Wait. Bath? Are you gonna wear something special or no?
Well, I mean, I can show a little bit of nipple. I mean, it's already getting hard. I mean, shit.
Oh,
I mean, come on.
Here we go. All right, let's get this done. Done deal. All right, putting this down. She's going outside, getting a bath, and then we're gonna go for a test drive.